Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add custom fonts in Canva and explain what's available in the free version. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. From the left sidebar, click Brand and then open the Fonts section. As you can see, the Fonts section displays a crown icon and a Try It Free for 30 days option. This means that uploading and managing custom fonts is a Canva Pro feature. If you're using Canva free like I am, you won't be able to upload your own TTF or OTF font files. To use custom fonts, you'll need to upgrade to Canva Pro or start the free trial. After upgrading, you'll be able to upload your own fonts, use them in your designs, and keep your brand typography consistent across different projects. If you're staying on the free plan, you can still use Canva's built-in font library, which includes many free fonts for creating professional designs. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you understand how custom fonts work in Canva and why this feature requires Canva Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.